how to see who follows your playlist on Spotify. So if you want to know who follows you on Spotify, then first of all open up your Spotify application. And then after opening, now here on the bottom right side you will have your library option. Tap on that and then you can choose any of the playlists that you would like. And after choosing, here you will have your playlist, right? So under your playlist you will have a three dots icon. You can tap on that, and here under your name of that playlist you will have view count. So for now I don't have any viewers on my playlist on Spotify, but if you have any viewers then you will have that view count there. But unfortunately we don't have an option to see who viewed your playlist. We don't know that. We can't know the name of that person, so we can only see the view count. So that's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.